Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day. Look at this one, SYPR came on my option scanner right here at 389. Again, this is just looking for stocks having abnormal option trading days. In other words, if a stock normally trades, say, 2,000 contracts a day, for me to see this one, not this one specifically, but if a stock is trading normally 2,000, I'd have to see that stock trading at 6,000. Contracts for the day. In this particular case, this one is actually trading 9,400 contracts a day, which is 1,800% more than, or 18.8% more than, 188% more. No, I was right the first time. 18,000% more than normal. So now what happened is that they had some news after hours, something to do with a space program or deep space contract they got. Had the big pop after hours. This is this mauve area right here. We watched it, so I didn't see it after hours. I saw it this morning when doing my pre-market work. I noticed that it had pulled back quite a bit from the after hours high of 450. It did pull back, but we were watching it, and then it hit my option scanner at 389, and it just took off. Actually, it you know what? It didn't take off immediately. It actually chopped around this area for a bit, but once it got back up to this 389, look at this. I mean, it just absolutely took off. It's tacked on $1. Now, I'd be remiss if I didn't also take a shot or tell you about OCGN. I have to say, one of our traders in the room, Zach, he's an awesome trader, and he's told everybody late in the day yesterday that he really thought this one was going to ramp up, and so I took this one. This is a COVID play, and out of India. And I mean, it's an American company, but they're teaming up with an India, I guess, an India pharma. And anyway, this just absolutely ramped up. I was able to take this one right around 766. I sold some after hours. I think it was around 769. Held it overnight. Sold here pre-market. And look at this, though. I mean, I'm not in anymore, and look at this. So big shout out to Zach, though, because he is just a great trader in our trading room. All right, guys, I want to get back into the room. Lots of activity for a Friday. So market, of course, is doing this, okay? After doing this yesterday, this was the big downturn with the taxation news, potential taxation news, but the market has completely shrugged it off, and it looks like it's actually back up to where it started yesterday when the market took the downturn. So anyway, great day in the room. So I want to shut this down. Any questions for me, you can use this email address. I'll open the room Monday morning at 9 o'clock. Hope everybody has a great weekend. We'll see you then.